Hello, everyone.
Hi.
Today, Lou and I will be talking about why you should absolutely not do a juice cleanse. Now remember, you have to talk loud because you don't have a microphone on. So let me hear your level.
I didn't say anything.
Well, no, I need you to say something though.
Hi.
How do you feel about all juice for 3 days to a week?
Me?
Yeah,
I don't have juice much.
There's a reason for that I'm about to explain.
Because it's not very healthy.
Oh, blow it up, homie. Okay, by the way, Lou is in this video because she is homesick, and I'm so healthy that I'm sitting right next to her. So, juice cleanse. Here's the deal. Why do you think this is a good idea? And why are we calling it a cleanse? So, when I ask people, why are you doing this? I just need to detox. We've been over this, guys, but I'm happy to say it again. You're not detoxing your body by only drinking juice. You're not. What do you think you're doing? I'm confused because it's the liver, it's the spleen, it's the kidney, it's the lungs that detox the body. It has nothing to do with just drinking juice. So here's what's wrong with this from go. Number one, okay, if you're just drinking juice, it's probable your calories are around 500 a day, which is basically starvation calories. What do you think about that? That's very low, trust me.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, it's ridiculously low. So what can happen when you stop eating only juice and your calories go back to normal, which could be 1,500, 1,800, 2,000 calories a day, you're gonna get something, or likely could get something called refeeding syndrome. So basically, when the calories go that low to about 500, your body is tripping. It's just like, what's happening? Why is food so scarce? And it will shift your biochemistry, your hormone balance, to slow down all of those androgenic, like muscle building, fat burning hormones. So it will lower HGH, it will up cortisol, which is your stress hormone, your belly fat hormone. Am I boring you?
No.
Just checking because I don't feel I have your full attention.
You do.
Good. Okay, so remember, your metabolism is your hormone balance. When we don't eat a ton of food or we're starving at around 500 calories a day, biochemistry will shift, thyroid hormone will slow down. What happens is yo-yo dieting, you've slowed your metabolism down, and then you put back on the weight you lost and then some, okay? Hence, refeeding syndrome, otherwise known as yo-yo dieting. So that's one downside. Number two, there is no detox. That I don't get. You want to detox the body, stop eating crap, hydrate, sleep, and eat foods that are, believe it or not, high in fiber. Guess what juice isn't? High in fiber. Fiber provides a platform to help your body remove waste, right? So you don't have any fiber. That's a terrible idea. On top of it, you have nutrient deficiencies when you're only consuming juice. You're missing a ton of micronutrients, vitamins, and minerals. So another really bad idea. How do you support the function of your body? By getting the proper amount of micronutrients. Fruit juice. Are you doing a fruit juice cleanse? Because fruit juice literally has as many calories and as many grams of sugar as a soda. And it smacks the hell out of your blood sugar and releases insulin. Honestly, if you've ever seen type 1 diabetics, they give them juice because it releases insulin so quickly. So the rule on juice, by the way, is never juice your fruit. Vegetables, go ahead, all day long. I prefer you eat your vegetables, but I totally get it. You can't eat that many vegetables, so you can't, a head of kale, a cucumber, or this or that. And I still feel like you're not with me.
I'm listening. Don't worry.
Okay. These will be preserved forever for you, though, so you'll always have a part of me.
Okay.
You don't even feel the drama of that statement?
Keep going.
Okay. Eat your fruit, juice your vegetables. A juice cleanse? Absolutely not. By the way, you can eat your vegetables if you're going to juice. The only reason it would make sense to juice vegetables is because if you eat a head of kale and all of these leafy greens, you might be a little full. Could be a little gassy, but still better for you with the fiber, but it's okay to juice veggies. Not solo, not by itself. So juice cleanse, stupid, 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 stupid idea. You want to add green juice to your diet, by all means, go ahead. But solo green juice, you're not detoxing anything, you're not benefiting anything, you're not accomplishing anything except depriving your body of needed calories, needed fiber, needed micronutrients. Get it?
Yes.
Do you though?
Yeah.
I feel like
Get what part?
forget it. I can't. All right, guys, if you're enjoying these videos, like it up, subscribe to the channel for fitness and nutrition advice, and comment below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you want to be hearing about, learning about. Ask me questions. I want to hear from you.